To say I'm excited to marry you is an understatement. These close to 4 years have been incredible, and I'm more than ready to have a lifetime of adventures with you.
Dear Brandon, I have prayed over this day and this marriage long before I ever knew you. But man, oh man, the Lord has made this day better than I've ever imagined and has made you the man of my dreams. I promise to love you unconditionally, even when UGA plays Tennessee. I promise to support you at all times and be your biggest cheerleader. I promise to watch Gold Rush with you on Friday nights and spend countless hours watching the Reds play. But most importantly, I promise to choose you today and every day. You're the love of my life, my safe space, and the one who I can't wait to wake up to every day for the rest of our life.
What a gift these past almost 4 years have been. Getting to know each other, learning to love each other, and supporting each other through it all. I love the life we have been building together so far and can't wait to see how our lifetime together will continue to be incredible.
Thank you for loving every part of me on the good days and on the bad. Thank you for putting us first and for the continuation of growing together. We have made so many incredible memories already, and it's hard to imagine what could be next for us.
Redemption singing over me, over me.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Redemption singing over me, over me. Redemption singing over me, over me. Oh, redemption singing over me, over me. Yeah.
Hi, Brandon.
Hi, Mackenzie.
Take you, Mackenzie,
Take you, Brandon,
to be my wedded wife.
to be my wedded husband,
I promise and pledge myself before God and these witnesses
to be your loving and faithful wife,
to be your loving and faithful husband,
through happiness and sorrow,
in plenty and in want.
in sickness and in health,
I vow to love and cherish you
with all of my heart.
for as long as we live.
Redemption singing over me,
Husband and
over me.
wife. What God has joined together, let no man separate.
Redemption singing
Brandon, kiss your bride.
over me. Redemption singing over me, over me. Redemption singing over me, over me.
Sorry, I had to knock this dust off this speech. We never really thought Brandon would actually ever get married. Who would ever thought that you could meet true love at the Cumming Bowling Alley? With the persuasion of AJ Downs talking about big feet. 3 years later, here we are on this gorgeous day celebrating Brando and Mackenzie.
Morning always comes when morning
a surprise. I thought we were going to the circus, but little did I know that my life was going to turn into one. I thought I knew you pretty well until you surprised me after graduation telling me that you had a new hobby. You were joining a bowling league. I can tell by the way you two look at each other that you really found the person.
But now I'm feeling right. Hold your hope in the trial until you leave the night. Morning always, oh morning.